Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, hello there, my name is Cristina. So for today's video is going to be a colorful spring makeup tutorial, and I'm so happy it turned out the way that I wanted. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first step, I'm taking this tinted eye primer from Ulta Beauty, and this is the Peach Glow one, and it says oil free, which is good, and I apply this all over the eyelid using my finger. Now I'm playing with this eyeshadow palette. This is the Iconic London. I really love this one, guys. Alright, so first eyeshadow that I'm going in with is this Peach and Dreams shade, and I apply this all over on the crease area using the blending brush from Bdellium Tools. Next shade, I'm taking this one. This is the Bellini color, and I apply this all over in the crease area as well, and I use with the same brush from Bdellium Tools. Alright, so I decided to use the Morphie 3503 eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this really orangey color because we want this look very colorful, so I think this shade is perfect, and I applied this all over on the crease area as well. It's kinda, blend all the shades together and then just keep blending back and forth. Then next, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to cut the half of the crease area, and this is in the shade Light. Then once you're done cutting the half of the crease area, now I'm taking this shade. This is called 24K Gold from Iconic London eyeshadow palette, and I apply this on the half of the crease area using the tinier brush from G-Sap. And then I'm taking the same color and I apply this underneath the lower lash line. And by the way, I apply a black eyeshadow underneath the lower lash line off of the comb. It's kinda, I blend the orangey and black eyeshadow color together. Next, I'm taking the Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner, and I apply this right above the upper lashes, and I make a little wing line using a tinier brush from G-Sap. For the primer, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Photofocus face primer, and this is the dewy luminous one. I like this one, guys, because it gives dewy to your face, and I apply this all over on my face. Next, for the foundation, I'm taking the Becca 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. I really love the coverage of this foundation, guys. So if you guys want to cover your dark spot, this foundation is perfect. This is lightweight and not cakey at all. So now I apply this all over on my face using the foundation brush from Bdellium Tools, or you can use the beauty sponge as well to apply the foundation. And also don't forget to apply a foundation on your NYX so that the color will be even. Next, for concealer, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the shade Light, and I apply this first underneath the eye, center of the forehead, center of the nose, Cupid's bow, and on the chin. Now to blend the concealer, I'm taking the blending brush from G-Sup. Next, to set everything, I'm taking the Mary Kay translucent face powder and I apply this all over on my face using the brush from Bdellium Tools. Next, for contour, I'm taking the ItsMyRayeRaye BH Cosmetics palette and I apply this beside the nose, underneath the cheek, and on the jawline area. And I'm taking the tinier brush from G-Sup. Now for blush on, I'm taking the Nyx Contour. This is the Intuitive. This is the one for the eye and face sculpting palette, and I apply this on the cheek using the blush on brush from Bdellium Tools. Next, for lip liner, I'm taking the Italia Deluxe Ultra Fine Lip Liner. This is in the shade Natural Beige. I really love this lip liner, guys, because it's very soft. And I'm happy that I, ordered the sets. Next, for the highlighter, I'm taking the Nyx Contour Intuitive and Highlighting Palette, and I apply this first on the high points of the cheek, high points of the nose, Cupid's bow, and on the chin. And I'm taking the brush from Bdellium Tools. Now for the lipstick, I'm taking this brand called Kokie. This is the kissable liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade VM825 Dialed Off. I think I get this one from my Allure Beauty Box subscription. Next, for mascara, I'm taking the Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara, and I apply a tiny coat on the upper and lower lash line. By the way, I have my lashes on off of the cam, and I ordered my lashes from Wish, and also I used the makeup setting spray off of the cam as well, so you guys know. And there you have it, guys. This is the final result. I'm happy it turned out the way I wanted for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, and also don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day. Mwah.